Welcome all the newbies, subscribe to the channel, and today's topic is: what is a fitness bike? And I must tell you that from all the 5 bikes I've got here, which are the trekking bike, fitness bike, cross bike, city bike and the gravel bike, this one is the one I like the most. Let me tell you why. The fitness bike. Fitness. We are riding the bikes for the fitness. We want to be fit, we want to be healthy, we want to live long and strong and look good. And ladies, riding the bike does not make your legs larger. It makes our whole body look beautiful. Let's go back to our 2 scales, the amateur rider to the pro cyclist. As I said, gravel bikes, trekking bikes in the middle. I would say that the fitness bike will be a little bit closer to amateur recreational rider, just as the cross bike would. And in terms of the ground, the fitness bike is made mostly for the tarmac riding. And I must start with the thing that I like about the fitness bike so much, which is the rigid fork at the front. Why is it so? If you buy a bike for $300, $400, $600, $800, you're gonna get a heavy and not really well working suspension fork at the front. That creates 3 problems actually: higher weight of the bike, lower stiffness of the front end, and also you're not going to be able to adjust the stiffness of the fork to your body weight. So let's say your goal is to lose weight because you weigh 90, 100, 110 kilograms and more. The budget spring fork, the video about budget spring forks in the description, will not be good for you. It just won't be good. This is why I love this beautiful, rigid, stiff and light fork on this bike. So this is quite light, stiff and fast bike. I know that the customers are having troubles looking at all those bicycle types, and even if you go to the local bike store, sometimes they don't really know how to explain to you what's the difference between the fitness bike and the cross bike, but it's not that complicated actually. So just imagine those 3 types of the bikes: trekking bike, cross bike and the fitness bike. The fitness bike is mostly made for the city, for the tarmac. The cross bike very similar to the trekking bike, but without the accessories, will have more off-roady tire, and the trekking bike, versatile bike with all the accessories for the longer trips. I would go for the fitness bike if you want to have fast, light, stiff bike without the front suspension fork. If you need to ride a lot on the gravel and you still want to have flat bar, the cross bike will be your choice. And so when I look at the fitness bike right now, I really think I was giving you too little information about the fitness bikes, so there will be more coming up.